CHINS 48V 100Ah lithium iron phosphate golf cart battery review. Real range and honest upgrade results. Nothing stings like watching your golf cart slow to a crawl on hole 14 because the battery gave up early again. I remember a buddy stopping mid-fairway, cart dragging, round completely derailed. Frustrating does not cover it. When you cannot trust your battery to finish what you started, every ride carries that quiet anxiety. Does that sound familiar to you? Lead-acid batteries create a specific kind of pressure that builds slowly. That voltage sag feels visceral when your cart loses punch halfway through the back nine. You top up charges, check water levels, and still get inconsistent results. Maintenance becomes a second job. There had to be a smarter, lighter, and more reliable way to power a golf cart. Then everything changed when I found the CHINS 48V 100Ah LiFePO4 golf cart battery. Don't just pick any lithium golf cart battery. Make sure it has built-in Bluetooth monitoring so you never waste around guessing your state of charge again. The first time I plugged in the monitor and opened the app, I could see voltage, current, and charge status in real time. That visibility alone felt like a different world compared to lead-acid guesswork. The 200-amp battery management system handles high-demand motors without flinching, and the included 58.4-volt 18-amp charger gets you from 0 to full in about 6 hours. Let me be honest, most battery packages make you source a charger separately. This one does not. At around 30 miles of tested range on a 3-kilowatt motor, it comfortably covers a full round and then some. The battery weighs roughly 30% less than lead-acid equivalents, so installation feels noticeably easier. A club car precedent owner called the acceleration improvement massive after the first charge. That kind of feedback is hard to ignore. Long-term ownership with the CHINS 48V 100Ah LiFePO4 golf cart battery paints a convincing picture. Battery specialists note that lithium iron phosphate chemistry delivers more than 2,000 deep discharge cycles, compared to the 300 to 500 cycles typical of lead-acid packs. Over years of regular use, that gap becomes significant both in performance and replacement cost. An influencer covering golf cart upgrades described the installation as refreshingly complete, pointing out that the included monitor and charger remove the usual setup friction. A forum user who installed the battery in an EasyGo RXV after a full season reported 0 issues and praised the straightforward wiring process. Another owner mentioned the Bluetooth app as the feature that changed daily use most, because knowing exact charge status before a round removes the anxiety entirely. The most common hesitation is the upfront investment. Lithium costs more initially than lead-acid. That is fair. But when you spread that cost across a service life 8 to 10 times longer, the math becomes calm and logical rather than intimidating. Here is a good question for the comments. Are you still running lead-acid, or have you already made the switch to lithium? The CHINS 48V 100Ah LiFePO4 golf cart battery gives you longer range, smarter monitoring, and maintenance-free power that lead-acid simply cannot match. Thousands of golf cart owners, RV users, and off-grid enthusiasts are already making this upgrade and not looking back. Results may vary depending on motor size and terrain. If you are ready for a calmer, more confident ride every time, check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment. The upgrade is simpler than you think.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.